Hello! Today we show how to use the low image brightness and grayscale feature using WP Dark Mode. Head over to Image Settings of the Settings option of WP Dark Mode. This is where you will find the options for low brightness and grayscale. This is what the site will look like when using WP Dark Mode. Now let's enable and save the options for low brightness and grayscale. Go to your site and refresh the page. You will see that the site will adjust the images based on your settings when you enable WP Dark Mode. And that's it. If you like this feature, download WP Dark Mode now and start using for free, or contact us at support@wppool.dev.